How to remove a Google account from your Android phone and start using another one. First of all, we are going to add an account, and then subsequently I'm going to show you how you can remove that. So in order to do that, you need to go to your settings. Within the settings, you need to click the accounts, and then you have to click the add account. Here you need to select Google. Give your email address which you want to use in your mobile. Enter the password. Agree with the terms. A new account has been added. So how to remove a Google account from your Android mobile? So you need to go to the settings, select accounts, and from here select Google, and from the account of list of the accounts which are already in your mobile, you need to select the account you want to delete. I'm going to select this account, and while there are options of sync, on the bottom you will see there is a uh, icon of remove. You just press this remove. It will give you a warning that removing this account will delete all its messages, contacts and other data. Just press the remove and your account has been deleted or removed from your Android mobile. So this is how you remove the Google account from your Android mobile. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.